Alright, let's talk about skills. We all know 2025 is here and the job market, it's changing fast. But listen, while everyone is freaking out about AI taking jobs, layoffs, and economic uncertainty, there is one simple truth nobody is talking about. The people who are winning are the ones who are not overthinking, picking a skill and going all in. Because let's be real, opportunities are everywhere. Most businesses are here, more startups are working on something new, and the demand for skilled people is growing day by day. And guess what? The myth that was speculating that AI will take jobs are in the trash can, because AI is not taking all the jobs. It is creating new ones. So instead of worrying, let's focus on the skills that actually future-proof your career. Sounds good. So let's dive in. Skill number 1. AI and data literacy. Look, AI is not the enemy. It's just a tool. And by 2028, 90% of companies will be using AI in some ways. So if you know how to leverage it, for example, like automating workflows, analyzing data, or using AI assistants for decision making, trust me, you'll be in high demand. And the truth is, it's not about coding AI from scratch. It's about knowing how to use it to make smarter decisions. Also, I have a quick tip for you. If you are feeling stuck on how to start with AI or what tools to learn, you can use calendar link in the description or the comment section of this video. We can talk about them in detail. Now coming back to the skills. Skill number 2, critical thinking and problem solving. We all know AI can crunch numbers, but you and me, we can think. And in a world full of automation, thinking is priceless. Problem solving is why companies hire in the first place. Businesses don't need robots. They need people who can understand customer pains, spot trends, and fix issues. Skill number 3, emotional intelligence. We know people love working with emotionally intelligent leaders, and this EQ is the superpower behind building trust, handling tough conversations, and leading teams. And guess what? AI is stuck at this 100%. So if you can master to self-awareness, empathy, communication, you will always have opportunities. Skill number 4. Trust me, this is my favorite one. Not just because I like it, but because it's the ultimate game changer and the world is evolving fast. And it's not slowing down. So if I were you, I would master this one skill. Learning how to learn. Just think about it. 5 years ago, TikTok was not a marketing tool. AI-generated content was not mainstream, and remote work was very, very rare. And now they are everyday essentials for businesses. So here's my tip. Pick a tool, master it, and stay ahead. The winners are not the ones who know everything. They are the ones who learn faster than everyone else. And lastly, skill number 5, technical skills. Whether you choose digital marketing, UX design, project management, or AI automation, or whatever you like, just learn it fast as you can. And let me tell you something, you don't need to master all of these. Just pick one, yes, just one, and commit to it. Then go deep, build real experience, and start helping. Because let me tell you, from this day moving onwards, the future belongs to the doers. And the winners don't just sit around saying, AI will take my job. They adopt, learn, and execute. So tell me, which skill are you mastering in 2025? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear. And hey, if this helped, hit the like button. Let's get to work.